Hey, welcome back to Shalom Meadows, everybody. As you seen in the last video, rewind, got the bendy split in. But hey, welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Well, we're back. We're in the living room now. Back in the living room. The living room is going to get completed soon, and then we're going to move in, and then we'll continue to renovate. Remember, this channel isn't just about renovating house, period. It's about doing yard work. It's about building things. It's about flipping furniture. Whatever's going on in our life. I'm not saying we're vloggers. I'm not saying that. But who knows where this might go. But whatever's going on in our life at the moment in time is what we want to show you guys. Thank you again for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I dropped the cork. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when we got those arrows coming in. Creepy. Let's party like we're not rock stars.
Bam. I would start over here.
We did do that. We just came back off.
No, that's paint, love.
No, I did that. See, I did that right there.